I'm just down here reflecting. It's at night. I'm just down here reflecting on life and being so thankful for everything. I'm grounding. I don't know where my cats are, but these are my companions. I don't know where the rest are. But yeah, life is so good and I'm so thankful for life. This is my version of camping. Just a few minutes to ground. I couldn't get clean grass to lay on back in Nairobi, and I'm so grateful for this piece of grass. I can even sleep here at night. It's so safe. Hi, Snowball. I can save to lie down here. It feels so nice with my cats, my kitty cats watching over me. I'm so grateful for life. I did laundry earlier yesterday, so I was just coming to get a few of their clothes that they sleep on, and I was like, I could lay down here. I could lay down here for a minute and just relax, and there's no stars. It's cloudy, but it's not cold. I'm just enjoying this. I'm enjoying life right now. And my cats are here with me to enjoy with me. Isn't life beautiful? Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Guys, oh my goodness. Now I need to work harder so I can get a piece of land and build my own home so we can stay here. We can stay here. We'll see.